So this is the OHIO Hackathon website. We see here a featured event. It was held at the Steam Factory, downtown Columbus. And you can see that this is just one of several events. And we see the mission statement of OHIO down here. And if we click on here, you can see all kinds of events that are that OHIO is involved with. There's Make Ohio, High School IO, and we could see down here the hackathon is the flagship event for OHIO. So we could click on this and let's just take a look at what the hackathon looks like. As we can see, it was held at the Ohio Union last year in October. Over 700 participants were at this event. We can see here all of the participants. Here's the ballroom. That's what the hackathon participants did for 24 hours. There was support for the participants with mentors, and there was a table for help and some parts. And this was a hackathon, not a makeathon, so there was no welding or big builds, just small builds like this robot here. There were demonstrations, virtual reality, augmented reality. You could see the food on the table because this was a 24-hour event. And at the end, there was a judging on Sunday morning. It started at Saturday morning, and Sunday morning there was a judging event. And you didn't have to enter your project into the event if you finished, but judging was available. And this is like a 360 view of the floor. And some of the participants could leave and go to other places and within the union. There's a demonstration there, you can see what some people were building. A lot of it was coding for software. And of course, people had fun.